Hello, Mr. Kraft's Middle School Social Studies students. I need you to go to the Middle School Social Studies homepage. And you should have already done the Powtoon December, January World War II events for quiz. Got familiar with that. Next, I need you to use this tool, Quizlet, December, January World War II events. So click on Quizlet, follow the link. This is the December, January World War II events. Okay, so it'll give you terms, definitions. Okay, so make sure you study these. All these were on Powtoon, so you should do pretty good if you watched it several times. And at the top, you can push these different cards and you can play games and stuff with them. Here's one called Match that I think is really fun. It'll give you terms, and you got to match where they go. See, this is the city of Bastogne in the background. Okay, let's play again, and it'll shuffle them up. Okay, so we have here a city that the 101st Airborne Division occupied during the Battle of the Bulge. That would be Bastogne, so we can click it and drag it to there. It'll turn green, and just keep playing with it. Unit ordered to Bastogne, that would be the 101st Airborne Division. Okay, so just keep playing with it. And there's all these other games you can play up here. There's a test you can take. Gravity's a fun game you can play. I find it a little challenging sometimes because it gives you the answer and then you are expected to write the question. So familiarize yourself with this. Okay, then let's go back to our home or to our middle school social studies. Well, we may have to push back a couple times. Okay, next I'll need you to go to the assessment quiz, December, January, World War II events. You can take this whenever you want. It's worth 40 points. I would do it after you definitely do the Powtoon and the Quizlet. If you are very familiar with those, then you can go up here and click on it. And this link will take you directly to it. It'll just pop right up in front of you. Make sure you answer everything. Make sure you put your name so I'll know who to put the grade under. And it is worth 5 points apiece again. This is not the big quiz that we're having January 12th, however. I want to make that clear. This is going to be a 40-point quiz that you can do on your own prior to our quiz on January 12th. So answer all these. When you're finished, push submit. It'll show you your score right after you're finished. And then I can get your score off there and put it in the grade book. All right? I hope that was clear to everybody. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Christmas break. I will see you in class on January 4th. And enjoy the rest of your time. We'll see you then.